there, welcome to our channel, and today I will show you how to draw a paintbrush and palette. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my brown color pen to draw the paintbrush. Now I'm using my gray color pen to do the rest. Okay, now it's time to use my black color pen. Let's fill it with brown again. Wow! Now I'm going to use my brown color pencil to do the coloring. And now I'm using yellow-orange color. Nice! Let's use brown again. Now I'm using my pencil. The paintbrush is done. Let's draw the palette. Here you can see that I'm using my yellow-orange color pencil to draw the palette. These lines are for a wooden texture. I'm using brown again so that it seems like a piece of wood. Okay, let's add some color. I'm using purple. Wow, now I'm using blue. Cyan. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Wow, it's looking amazing. Let's do the finishing with yellow-orange color. I'm coloring it in a light hand. Wow, my coloring is done, and this is how you can draw a paintbrush and a palette within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.